Hello friends, welcome back. In the last couple of lectures, we have learned a lot about Flexbox. So it's time for the challenge. So here is the setup for you. We have a div container which contains 9 div inside. They are representing each of the shades of green color scheme, and each one of those have the number inside 1, 2, 3, 4 till 9. So here is the challenge. This must take up all the available space. This must take up all the available space vertically and horizontally. So these boxes must cover the entire viewport. They all need to be evenly distributed by 3 by 3 grid. So basically 1, 2, 3, then there should be another row of 4, 5, 6, then there should be another row of 7, 8, 9. Then the number should be centered on the square. It means that the number should be vertically and horizontally be centered. Okay, so pause the video and try it on yourself, and I will see you in a minute. So I hope you have finished the challenge. Let me show you how I will do it. So right now the boxes are on top of each other. So to make it side by side, we need to give a class of flex in the parent div. So here I will give a class of flex, and if I save this, you can see now we have the boxes side by side. Our first point is yet to be covered, like it should take up all the available space. So these boxes need to take up all the available space, so we need to handle one direction at a time. So as we need to distribute this into 3 by 3 grid, so we need to set the width of each of this div to be 1/3. So let's do it. So the class is width w dash 1/3, and if I save this, now you can see the first box with this 1/3. So let me copy this, and we need to add on all the divs. So I'll do alt, I'll press alt, and I'll just click on all the divs and I'll paste it. Okay, let me save this. Now the next thing we will do is we will add a flex wrap class so we can get a 3 by 3 grid. Okay, so here in the parent div I will add a class flex wrap, and if I save this, now we are getting the 3 by 3 grid. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, here should be 1, 2, and it should be 3. Okay, let me save this. So 1, 2, 3. Then we have another row of 4, 5, 6. Then we have another row of 7, 8, 9. Then again we need the height of 1/3. So here I need to add a height of 1/3. So height should be 1/3. So h dash 1/3. This we need to add on all the divs. So let me copy this, and again I'll press alt and just click on the area where we want to add this class. So let me save this. Now still we are not getting the boxes to cover the entire viewports. For that we need to add a height of screen. So dash h dash screen. If I save this, now all the boxes are covering the entire viewport. Okay, so this should be 200 and this should be 300. Okay, now the shades are in proper color. Okay, so now we have successfully covered the first 2 points. Make must take up all the available space and evenly distribute in 3 by 3 grid. Now here is the last point. Letters must be centered on the square. So this 1, 2, 3, this, okay, this should be numbers. Okay, numbers should be centered on the square. Okay, so this number should be in the center of the square. For that we need to add a class of flex, justify center and item center on all the divs. So I'll do it for the first one. Okay, so flex, then we need to type justify center, then we need items center. Okay, if I save this, now as you can see, this number is in the center of this box vertically and horizontally. So let's copy this, and again I'll do an alt and click on the area where I want to paste this class. So space, and I'll paste it. Okay, so now as you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the center of the box. Okay, so here is the challenge and we have finished the challenge. So I hope you also did the same way which I did it, and if not, then you can just refer to this solution. Okay, this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.